Right then, first things first, how to change the background color of the bars to have the pictures and then to have lots of different pictures so they are what we call stacking up in the bar. So what we need to do is we need to just double click on one of the bars, and then up comes the Format Data Series box. Select Fill, click on Picture or Text Fill, click on File, and this will now open up the Insert Picture box from your laptop, and then scroll down. Well, scroll down and find a picture that you'd like to use. Let's see if we've got one here. Let's double click on here. It's a little bit slow, come on. Here we go. I think I'll just take this one here for some reason. Click Insert. And then when you click Insert, you will see that the bars are in there. If I click on Stretch, they'll be stretched. If I click on Stack, they will be stacked to their original size. If I click on Stack and Scale, I can then select how big I want each individual one to go. So currently each one represents 5 units. You just need to decide how it is, how you'd like to do it. So click on Close. So that's adding the pictures. The next thing is changing the scales. Now you can see that the top of my bar is less than 35. So I've got this big space here where I don't actually have any value. So I'm going to change the scale so it just goes up to 35. And also I'm going to change the scale, so instead of going up in 5s, it goes up in 2s. So what I do is I double click on the scale, and when I double click on the scale, out comes this box. And if I look over here, the minimum is where it starts, which is currently on 0. The maximum is set at 40. So I need to click off Auto and click on Fixed, and then change it to the number I want, and I'm going to choose 36. Then the major unit is the big gap between each line, and currently this is set on 5, and I told you that I wanted to set it on 2. So again, I'm going to change this to 2, like that. And when I'm done, press Close, and you can see that the scale has now changed, going up in 2s, up to 34. So that's how to change the scale too.